Hello students, today we shall study our next chapter 4. As we study the previous chapter, today we shall study the best of our life. Each and all we study in different way, but basically we live in our home, at our home. Dear students, today's topic is my sweet home. Each one will love our home and our member of family. Dear students, in our home or at our home, let's know how each other they cooperate, and even in a dangerous place or in a difficulty situation. In this chapter there are two children. Okay, two children you can see here. Okay, so Rajan. Okay, in this way we can see Rajan is a boy and his sister is younger than him, and both of them study in same school, and his sister is studying in class first. Okay, but this boy is 6 years old. Let's know what else are they doing, their parents. Okay, here we see here father of Rajan. Okay, mother is a teacher in high school and his father is an engineer. Both of them are working in good job. Okay, and grandfather and grandmother, both of them are taking of care both these children. Okay, so here the mention is that grandfather is a gentleman. Okay, and this boy, he has given the nickname. Okay, the second name of grandfather, grandpa, and grandmother, granny. Okay, this way, and whenever the parents are working in their kitchen or anyway, both of them, means this Rajan and his sister, they cooperate with their parents and they help them. Okay, so dear students, through this chapter let's understand. Okay, at your home, if your mother is sick or they are too busy to work, unable to do any work, so in that way you help them to do their work. Okay, you give your hand with them and solve the difficulties work soon, and you know that when we cooperate each other, the work is going to be become easy. So let's understand in this chapter my sweet home. Okay, we are growing, okay, through our parents or under this home. This is our town home. Okay, where we take birth. Okay, through our guardian. Whenever we get a difficulty situation, immediately we tell our parents, they provide our needy thing and everything on time they try to give us. So children, you don't escape yourself to cooperate with your parents. Okay, it is basic thing. Okay, little thing you are going to cooperate, that is a great thing. So children, you understand, you are responsible. Okay, whenever you are sick, your parents are injured. Okay, they immediately take in hospital for treatment. Okay, so same the way, now you are a growth age, so you help your fathers and mothers. Okay, they are busy, they are worried for you. So through this chapter today you come to know and learn the good thing and good qualities. Okay, so you understand, okay, what is the situation going on with your fathers and with you. Whenever you go to school, they give your needy thing, means school bags, shoes, pens, so many things are there. Okay, everything comes by a costly money. Okay, so today understand self, and you start how to respect those who are elder than you. Okay, every morning you greet your fathers, mothers, and your grandparents. Okay, they are elder than you and they are helping you to become a good knowledgeable person. Okay, good student. So students, you are the most welcome to understand through this video. My sweet home is today's our basic topic. Okay, so understand this much. Okay, so I am not giving the more speech, but a few words I am giving. Just you listen through this and you try to get the exact meaning of my sweet home. Okay, so anything are you doubting? Just you comment me. I will reply and I will make you a good understanding person. Okay, so this was through this video. So I think you are getting. If you are not getting, please reply me. I am always with you to make you understand. Okay, students. So thank you very much each one of you for watching this video. So thank you. Have a nice day.